Hey YouTube, I'm back from Texas. I'm wearing my Texas hat. I'm with my friend George. We're actually driving to go pick up a Copart special. This is my first Copart purchase. As you can tell by the title, it's a Prius for $875. Runs and drives. We hope. We hope. Sight unseen, guys. Sight unseen. This is the dumbest thing I've ever done.
Oops, I
but yeah, thanks for running that over. Sorry, I'm looking off to the right. I'm on my phone filming this, but yeah, we're gonna go check it out now, and we'll see what happens. All right, so George and I are a little concerned because like I have a little portable battery jumper, but it's probably not really that useful. So we're gonna go get jumper cables at his house. I hope the tires have air in them. I don't even have an air compressor. I might have one in my trunk right now. We're gonna go check that out. So we'll see. Worst comes to worst. This is, I know everyone thinks this is extremely stupid, and you're absolutely right. It's just very dumb.
This is a fantastic.
But it's kind of why it's fun, right?
It's a fantastic idea.
All right, so we're definitely getting close. We're only like half a mile away. So let's go see this Prius. What's to say, George?
Yerd.
Guys, I'm honestly pretty nervous right now. This is probably a very bad decision. I'm a little bit worried, but we'll see how this goes. All right, so quick update. We just had to buy a license plate, transfer the title at a notary, and get it registered in my name before they would let me take the car from Copart because I don't have a trailer to bring it home. I didn't realize how Copart really worked. So if you want to drive your car away from the lot, you need to have a valid license plate that is registered to the vehicle. That was about $250 extra to do that because I had to get an extra plate for myself. So yeah, back to Copart to get the car, hopefully, finally. All right, guys, so just to update you, basically what happened was they drove the car out to us from the back lot. 2 tires were completely flat. I actually thought they were gonna be deep beaded and we would be kind of screwed. They took air and we pumped them up a little bit and basically drove the car out of the Copart lot. We took it, drove it home, pretty much just parked it. I'm gonna go out and try and clean it out a little bit now. The thing is filthy. There's dog hair everywhere and I'll just show you it. It's a mess. All right, so here it is in all its glory. This thing probably sat for a really long time. Tires are pretty much bald. Inspection is 2015. Still has all the marker on it, but let's see. The key is dead, so let me... There it is inside. Smells like a vet's office in here. There's dog hair everywhere in this thing. It is really, really dirty. Bunch of random crap I have to throw out and clean out. So let's do that today. Good thing is, pretty much no lights on the dash at all. Audio works, everything, all the windows work. Battery seems to be charging correctly and working. Really all this thing needs is a good, just clean up. It's got 223,000 miles on it, which is insane. Other than the fact that this interior is just really f***ing gross, we'll try and clean it up. All right, guys, so I've done the most I can with the back seats in terms of vacuuming. Looks almost the same. There's just dog hair everywhere. I got to figure out how to get rid of that. There's that baseball I found under one of the seats. I haven't done the driver's side yet, but I'm working on the passenger side. So I just disconnected this to just try and get as much crap out of it as possible. Let's see if we can do a grand unveiling of this air filter. I already hear stuff falling. Oh, this is bad. This is really, really bad. Oh my God. That has never ever been changed, ever. That is the grossest thing I've seen in my whole life. Wow, that is disgusting. All right, I gotta vacuum all of that out now. It is really, really clogged. I mean, this is just unbelievably gross. All right, pretty much vacuumed it out as best I can. This car definitely would need a full detail if I intend on keeping and driving it more. Also, my good buddy Eric, who has a single turbo RX-7 and an S2000 and a BRZ, just bought a Prius after seeing mine. So yeah, we'll see. I'll have to check his out, but it sounds like he got a better deal than I did. So let's go give this thing a bath. I also picked up another one of these guys for like $3 on eBay. I don't know if you guys remember the video I made about why these are a good thing to have. I'm just gonna see what I can read about the car and I don't know, see if there's any codes. I doubt there are any though. All right guys, so here it is, all cleaned off. I didn't really notice these two scratches and that dent until I like cleaned off all the grass, but I guess it cleans up all right. Not too bad. Just gotta get some glass cleaner and wipe it down better. Interior for sure needs a good detailing. This thing smells like dog inside pretty bad. So all right guys, so I don't really know if I made the right choice buying this car. So it was an $875 winning bid. After the Copart fees and everything, it was $1,278. Then I had to go register, get a plate for it, and that was another $250. So that's about like $1,500, give or take a little extra into the car. Runs and drives really well. It's got a weird, I think something with the brakes or the tires could use like an alignment or replacing and things like that. Hopefully the ride will smoothen out. But then on top of that, so that'll probably be, I mean, the brakes are $35. It's pretty easy to do for the front. It might not even be necessary just because it uses regenerative braking and that really slows the car down a ton. But to pass inspection, I may need to actually have those taken care of. On top of that, it needs definitely a detailing or something inside. I took out a massive amount of dog hair, dust, dirt, all the debris. I probably have to clean out the blower motor from all the rat's nest crap that was inside the actual blower fan that was just caked into there. It's not quite ready for the road yet, but it's getting there. So I'll keep posting updates. It was just a fun car to buy from Copart for cheap. I have some cool cars coming up soon, so stay tuned. I know this isn't really that exciting, but I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.